Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you're an Apple Card user looking to add an authorized user, like a family member or trusted friend, to help them build credit or share expenses, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step. It's straightforward and can be done right from your iPhone. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of iOS installed and that you're logged into your Apple ID. This ensures everything runs smoothly without any hitches. Okay, let's dive in. Start by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone. It's the one with the wallet icon, easy to find on your home screen. Once you're in, locate your Apple Card. It should be right there among your other cards. Tap on it to open the details. Next, look for the three-dot menu in the upper right corner or scroll down to the People or Family section, depending on your app version. Tap on that, and you'll see an option to Add Authorized User. Now, you'll need to enter the person's details. This includes their full name, date of birth, and possibly their social security number for verification purposes. Apple takes security seriously, so don't skip this step. After entering the info, hit Continue, and follow any on-screen prompts to send an invitation. The person will receive an email or notification to accept the invitation on their device. Once they accept, they'll be all set up. This usually takes just a few minutes. One quick tip. Adding an authorized user can help them build their credit history, but remember, you're still responsible for the account. Always discuss spending limits and responsibilities up front. And that's it, you've now successfully added an authorized user to your Apple Card. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.